So this is a very casual glam look for a nice walk in the park. Okay. Today's video is going to feature my new product, my Everyday Glam Kit, featuring my 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil, 3D lashes and my candy pink lip gloss. Hi everyone, it's Laudine from Show the Bride and founder of Bridal Box. I just thought I'd film a very quick get ready with me video. Obviously we are in lockdown at the moment, so there aren't that many opportunities to get out and about. However, as lockdown is starting to ease a bit more, we are being encouraged to get out and exercise more than once a day. So the sun is out. I just thought I would just do a very quick makeup get ready with me video, just a very casual look, and thought I'd film it just to give you guys a bit more content. So I hope you're all keeping well. I hope this encourages you just to kind of get up today, get showered. If you need to do some light makeup, do it to make yourself feel better and get out and get some sunshine and some fresh air. Okay guys, so stay tuned. Hi guys, so I actually started doing my makeup and forgot to press record. So I'm a little bit ahead. But all you've missed is essentially I have just, I put sun cream on my face because the sun is out and it's important to protect your skin. So I've got a Nivea face cream on with factor 30, I think, or 35. And I do contour my face. Definitely since we've been in lockdown, I feel like I've been eating and maybe not exercising as much as I should. However, I am now on a new exercise regime. I'm now following the Body by Kira squad Instagram live tutorials. So it's like 6 times a week that you've got access to live videos, live exercise classes with Kira. And I'm doing that now. And actually it feels really nice to kind of be part of like a squad of girls. We're all doing the exercise at the same time. You can't see each other, but she really spurs you on to keep going. And I've got a couple of friends who are also doing the exercise as well, the exercise program, so that kind of keeps me going. So I'm hoping to shed some of my extra weight that I put on by doing those classes. So all I've done so far is I have just used Revolution. So I use this concealer for my under eyes, and I also use it just under my eyebrows, and I actually put them where my jawline is as well, because I find that it slims my face, especially where I'm feeling a bit chubby. That is what I do. All right, so before I blend anything in, I'm going to brush out my brows, and I use my Bridal Box 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil and brush. Okay, because I love to have wispy brows, so you can see the brush is lovely, right? And it gets my brows just right. So I've actually got quite thick brows anyway, and it's quite funny because when I was younger, we all used to overpluck. And now the thicker brows, and I've just allowed my brows to just grow out. So I always just brush them upwards and kind of away from my nose, just so you have that nice slanted hair look. And then I just use my pencil to line my brows. So I always line them first. So I just follow the natural line of my brow, the bottom, then the top I kind of start a little way in, just because you don't want it to be overly drawn. Right, then I'll do the other side. Yeah, because I always make sure that I'm happy with the line of my brow. And again, I'll start a little way in, not all the way from the top corner. Okay, and then I will just fill my brows in. Do you know what I mean? Just like wispy strokes. I find it looks more natural. But look at the difference that makes already. I've only done that, it's like taking me less than a minute, right? But it's like perfect brows in a minute. And just to blend it in, you can use a brush again, just to kind of brush it in from there. The good thing about this is, like, for example, I've got dark skin, I've got dark brows. If you are lighter and you've got lighter hair, you can determine how dark your brows are. So you can actually use a brush to make them lighter. So I've used this on blondes before, and if you just use the brush, it actually comes out a much lighter brown. So you can actually blend out the colour as much as you need to, or you can have them dark. Okay, so now I've contoured, I'm going to just use my brush to blend the concealer lines I'd put around my brows earlier, before I pressed record. Yeah, and that just gives me, it will give me a softer look around my brows. And as I said, it's a weird time. So I'm filming a video and we are in lockdown, but it means that, you know, you can't get out to get your brows threaded or anything like that. But the good thing is if you use concealer, it just makes your brows look neater, so you can disguise the fact that you've got a few stray hairs. So I do use that as like a little trick just to keep my brows nice and neat. And concealer is a godsend. I'm actually running out, so I have ordered some from Superdrug, but their delivery times are so slow at the moment. And I'm not really willing to do a click and collect, actually go into the store myself. I know it is working for some people. Some people are doing click and collect and it's being delivered to their door. I tried that, but the items I wanted, not all of them were available for click and collect, so I have to wait for delivery, which for some reason Superdrug takes you 9 days. I'm a small brand and I'm delivering to people in less than 9 days, so I don't know what is going on with Superdrug, but yeah, I'm desperate, so I'm waiting for my 9-day delivery. Okay, so obviously because I'm just going out for a walk, I don't want to do my makeup too heavy, but at the same time I just want to do like a nice natural makeup look. Okay, so can you see my brows? Yeah, I think they're nice and defined. I've put a little bit of concealer there just because the light hits my face in certain places, so I tend to put a bit of concealer here, my nose, here, and here, and obviously under my eyes. So I'm now going to blend that all in. And to be honest, I don't wear that much makeup. I mean, a few years ago I had really, really bad skin and I used to just hide my skin in foundation. And to be honest, it made my skin worse. I do now use foundation, but I don't actually wear foundation all the time. I only wear foundation now if I'm going on a night out, just for like a full look. But usually now I just use concealer. And I use an anti-acne foundation as well, and what that means is when the foundation's on my face, it's not clogging my pores and there's some acid in there that you know, allows your skin to fight back against the acne, which is a shame because I basically went from most of my adult life without bad skin, and then suddenly I developed really, really bad skin, but I'll keep that for another video. So yeah, I don't really put much on, so I'm sorry if that's disappointing because I've seen lots of makeup videos where it's like, now I'm going to take out my foundation bottle number 2, and then I'm going to blend with foundation bottle number 3, and then number 4, and number 5. And honestly, I just don't put that much on. So sorry. But like I said right at the beginning, this is a natural beat, yeah? Natural makeup. Okay, so now I've just got my face done, and by that I just mean like my face is where I want it to be. It's like just a natural, the concealer just highlights certain areas rather than covering the whole face, yeah? So now I'm going to just do some eyeliner because I really like putting eyeliner on. So I'll do my under eye first. And I'm just using an eyeliner pencil. I love liquid eyeliner, but I go through phases where sometimes I want liquid, other times I just want pencil. And at the moment I'm in a pencil phase. Sometimes I put liquid on and I just feel like it's not giving me the drama that I need, so I've gone back to pencil. Now I am someone who, pre-lockdown, I am a commuter, so I literally do my eyeliner when I'm going to work. I'm so used to doing it on the train because I'm usually that person who's rushing to get on the train at like 7 a.m. and I would usually do my makeup on the train just so I can get that extra sort of 10 minutes in bed. And obviously being a South London girl, sometimes I'll get on the train and there's no seats, so I've actually trained myself to do my makeup standing up. I've also applied lashes on a high-speed train before. Not through choice, but you know, when you have no choice, you learn new skills. Okay, so I would normally, depending on my mood, I would normally just put mascara on. Yeah, but I feel like today I actually do want to wear some lashes. So I am going to wear my Marie lashes. Yeah, so I'm not going to put any eyeshadow on, but I'm just going to put Marie on, just because then I'll just go for a natural lip, and yeah, there's no expectations really. So I have actually filmed a lash tutorial, so if you guys need to know how to do lashes, just go on my page and just find the how-to video. I've got 5 easy steps. I'm not going to cover them in this video just because I'm in a bit of a rush, and I know the boyfriend's going to get annoyed soon because I should be ready and I'm not. So I'm just going to quickly do my lashes, and like I said, because I kind of do this all the time, it's a lot quicker for me. Yeah, so I'm quite used to doing things in a rush because I'm usually always running behind. But yeah, I filmed the lash video because obviously I sell lashes, I design lashes, and I often get questions from customers asking what the best way to apply lashes is, and so therefore I have done a video. I bought this recently. It's a Rimmel, what is it? It's a duo contour stick, right? And it is light and dark. What I will say is that the dark is almost the same as my skin, so I don't notice it too much. But the light, I kind of don't really like the fact that it's got a bit of a sheen. So I don't actually use it as a concealer because it just makes you very shiny. But what I have found is it's actually quite a nice natural highlight. So if I put it like that on both sides, that's all I'll need really. And to be honest, I've just done this because I don't want to waste it, because I don't use it for anything else. It's meant to be a contour stick, but it's too shiny to be a contour stick in my opinion. I think it should be more matte, but it's so shiny. So I kind of think because I bought it, I'll use it as a highlighter, but I normally use my own highlighter in Gold Dust because I love a bit of gold highlighter. Okay, so my lashes, I've put the glue on and I'm leaving them to set. And in the meantime, I'm going to put mascara on. So with my lashes, they're very strange. They're kind of non-existent. And then when I put mascara on, suddenly they pop. So sometimes I think, do I need to put lashes on today? But I think in the spirit of this YouTube video, I will. Okay. Oh, a little bit of a smudge there. Okay, now I'm going to just do my lashes. I'm coming! I'm running late. He's going to tell me off. And you know guys, they'll be like, why are you wearing lashes when we're just going outside? They don't understand it's a process. Hey guys, just going to speed things up a bit here. The glue wasn't quite dry, so I struggled a little bit, but I did get the lash down and finish the job. Alright, so I've just got a very, very casual glam look going on here, and then I'm just going to put a really quick sweet candy pink lip gloss on my lips. It's so high pigment, but you mix it in and blend it as much as you want. So I like to have mine a bit lighter, unless I'm going out. Okay, so can you see guys, I've actually filmed this in less than 15 minutes. So this is a very casual glam look in less than 15 minutes. I'm whispering now because I know that my boyfriend is going to say, how could you be filming a YouTube video when I'm waiting to go for a walk? So I've tried to be very discreet. I might just have my hair up, I'm not sure. I might have it down. So my hair is not done, but my makeup is now done. Okay. Yeah? Okay. So this is a very casual glam look for a nice walk in the park. Okay, and I've done this using very minimal makeup, okay, because you don't have to put so much on. It's just to kind of, I wanted to make sure I had no bags, and you know, I put a bit of concealer on because it just slims my face, because like I said, I have piled on a little bit of the pounds. This maxi dress is from Pretty Little Thing. It's just, yeah, I just got it because I was running out of like clothes to wear at the moment. But yeah, I've got Candy Pink Bridal Box lip gloss on my lips. I've got my Marie lashes on, and they're not too heavy. So, because I've kept all my other makeup minimal. Eyebrows with my 2-in-1 brow pencil. I showed you guys I used this as a bit of a highlighter. If I'm honest, I'm only using it as a highlighter because it's completely wasted as a contour stick. But it's not something I'd recommend. There's nothing wrong with the product, but personally for me it's a bit too shiny to be a contour stick, which was its intention. Okay, but I normally would use my Gold Dust highlighter. I use Maybelline Colossal Big Shot Mascara. Yeah. And what else did I use? Yeah, my Bridal Box 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil and brush. Yeah, for these super neat brows. Okay. And oh yes, duo. Always use duo glue with your eyelashes. Okay, they stay on the longest. Anyway guys, I really enjoyed filming this. It had to be quick because I have to go now. I don't want anyone nagging at me. But enjoy the rest of your days. We are in lockdown. I encourage each of you to stay calm, do not stress. There's loads of things that you can be doing right now, but you should also take this time to rest your mind, think about your mental health if you're too stressed, okay? If you want to follow me and find out more about what I'm doing on a daily basis, follow me on my_bridalbox on Instagram. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and I'll be doing some more. And also you can follow Show the Bride on Instagram, and my website is showthebride.com for bridal content. That's bridal beauty, fashion, wedding planning, you name it. And also Bridal Box is www.mybridalbox.co.uk, and that's where you can find my products, like my 2-in-1 eyebrow pencil, my lashes, my lip gloss, everything. And my bridal beauty gift box is also on the website. Okay, so I'll drop all the links below, but love you and see you guys later. Take care.